Hi, my name is Walt from PMI Copier, and here's some tips how to buy a refurbished or used copy machines. There are so many brands and models in the market. Most people don't know where to start and how to pick the right machine and the right company. The good machine and good model can last between 10 to 12 years if you know how to buy. Most people, by looking at it, people have no idea how old this machine is. And here we can help you. So finding a reliable and honest company is very important. So thank you and calling to visit us, or please feel free to call us, PMI Copier. Thank you.